Hello friends, this is Timique TV. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome to this big family. To my existing subscribers, thank you for being there for me. Thank you for always watching, sharing and liking my videos. I really appreciate. Alright, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make your turmeric butter. It's good for moisturizing, especially this Christmas season, this Hamatan season. Trust me, you don't want your skin to look so dry and cracky. We'll make use of these few ingredients here. This is our butter, making use of cocoa butter. You can make use of shea butter if you want, or mango butter, whichever one you want. But if you've made use of cocoa butter, you will know how nice and lovely it smells, and that's why I want to make use of cocoa butter. And here's our turmeric powder. This is our e-wax, and I'll make use of grape seed oil. You can use turmeric oil if you want. You can use coconut oil, you can use carrot oil, whichever one you want. Okay, and here it's our preservative. If you want to make large quantity, all you have to do is multiply your ingredient. Don't forget to add preservative. You can as well add any fragrance of your choice. Okay, so this is it. Now, mango butter. You can use mango or cocoa or shea butter. Okay, you can get this from your local market. Now, cocoa butter is high in fatty acids and helps to hydrate and nourish the skin and improve skin elasticity. You see why I said it's good for this season, this weather, this harsh weather. You need to moisturize your skin, and that's why it's good to use butter for any cream you'll be using this season. The fat in cocoa butter forms a protective barrier over skin to hold in moisture. Okay, cocoa butter is also rich in natural plant compounds called phytochemical, which helps to slow skin aging by protecting against damage from the sun harmful ultraviolet ray. Alright, this is really good for the skin, trust me. Regular application of this cocoa butter on the skin can help smooth scars, wrinkles and other marks on the skin. Cocoa butter cream can be used during and after pregnancy to prevent and minimize the appearance of stretch mark, and it also helps to heal rashes from conditions like eczema. All right, so trust me, this has lots of benefit for the skin. And the turmeric powder, you all know turmeric powder is very good for skin lightening too. All right, it has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial and antioxidant effect, which can benefit the skin in so many ways, such as treating of acne, blemishes, blackhead, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, and all of that. It also slows skin aging process and improves skin elasticity, and as well brightens complexion. These are natural ingredients that are good for your skin, safe. All you have to do is just add some essential oil to it, or carrier oil, and you're good to go. You can make this at home. You can do it for, if you do for sale, you can as well do it for sale, of course. Products are good and effective. Okay, so this is what we'll do. We'll do this in a, after adding our ingredients, we'll put it in a double boiler, or you can as well microwave it just to make sure, just to melt the butter. Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm going to add my e-wax. Okay, this is e-wax. You can put beeswax if you want. Okay, and then your turmeric powder. So the next thing I want to do is microwave this, and I'll come back. Okay, so wait for it. Okay, this is our double boiler. you allow it to dissolve. You can see the butter is dissolving. So now take it off the heat. It has dissolved. Take it off. So this is what it looks like after taking it off the double boiler. The next thing you want to do is put it in the refrigerator for like 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So you transfer it here. Okay. Add your oil, transfer it, then keep it in the refrigerator to cool for a few minutes. Okay, just a few drops of this. Okay, so after keeping your cream for a few minutes in the refrigerator, just bring it out and whip. You can see the color, you can see it. It smells nice. Cocoa butter is really good. Shea butter is good as well, but you know we have the refined shea butter and the unrefined shea butter. If you want to do it for commercial purpose, then I would advise you use the refined shea butter, because the unrefined shea butter has a kind of smell that's not pleasant. But if you are doing it for your personal use at home, then you can use the unrefined shea butter. Because the unrefined shea butter is actually richer than the refined shea butter. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to click on the like button, hit the subscribe button so nobody get more update each time we upload a video, and then don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks.